How do you repair wooden flooring without ripping up the whole damn floor? I'm going to show you every step of the process on this video, how I go about replacing just these 3 sections of damaged floor, and hopefully by the end of the video, we'll have a beautiful looking floor I can show you. This particular video is very much for people who just like to see a project coming together, but don't really care about the details. If you do care about the details, I've got another more extended version of this video where I do explain everything I'm doing and why I'm doing it. That's going to be linked in the description and in the comments, and it'll be a pop-up at the end of this video that you can click on to go straight to it as well. It's at this point where I realise it's all gone horribly, horribly wrong. It turned out the new box of flooring my client had provided wasn't the same flooring as what was already down like we expected. So the click together mechanisms were not compatible. So after chatting with my client, we agreed that I was going to modify the new box of flooring as best I could and glue it in rather than using the click system that was never going to work anyway. So that's what I'm doing. The lifespan of the new flooring doing it this way, I couldn't even predict. It might last a long time, it might not last 5 minutes. I probably wouldn't recommend, if you're trying to patch your own floor up, to do it this way. Try and get the exact correct flooring so at least it all clicks together. But my client was selling the place and it was a part of the terms of her sale that she had to get this flooring patched up. So for her it was essential that I got it in even if it wasn't perfect. And so far it's actually looking not too bad. The first 2 pieces are in. If you do like any of the tools you see in this video, including that flooring whacker you see me using, they're all linked in the comments and the description for you. The final result was actually surprisingly good. Yes, I didn't stagger the joints when I probably should have. My main concern was just getting the flooring in and getting it in as strong as possible. The main thing, however, my client was happy and I believe her sale went through according to plan as well. I would be very interested to hear in the comments what you guys think of this at home. Is this something you would consider doing yourselves? Top left is the full video for this project where I talk you through everything step by step in a lot more detail. Bottom left is a cheeky little subscribe button. Feel free to click it